This is the BK Mueller 888-560 new style assembly. A couple things to notice about it. So down here on this end, you've got this rubber assembly, that screw there, and then down to those 3 threads. And then coming down to the opposite end, you've got the 2 metal washers. So one there, and then one there, and then that rubber packing right in between them. So we'll go ahead and get a couple measurements of this stem assembly, starting with a total length. So it measures, so from the end of that squared end there to the head of that screw, it's going to measure right at about 7.5 inches. And then we can also measure just that end piece, so right there where it's soldered on to that head of the screw. You can see it measures right at about 1.5 inches. And then we can also get an outer diameter and thickness of that rubber gasket down there on the end. So outer diameter, it's going to measure right at about 3/4 of an inch with a thickness of just about 1/4 of an inch. So once again, this is the BK Mueller 888-560 new style stem assembly.